Hello, YouTube. This is your host, Tommy Cunningham, coming to you live from Williams, Indiana on this rainy Saturday. Today's rainy Saturday was kind of interesting. We are first listening to Broadcastified, which is one of my favorites, which you guys have heard. That, that was the West Niagara Fire. So, also let you guys know what's coming up in the TC universe. Next, this week I'm planning to make some more to my content, to like my special video series I'm doing. What you guys seen? I lost a little bit of weight. So also let you guys know there so looking around on my computer, so just to let you guys know, this year has been a really big, nice year, I have to say. A couple stuff you guys have to say that we have to remember is number one, my trip to Detroit. That's where I got this idea of listening to the Wayne County simulcast. And then after that, my trip to the Henry Ford. And number two, going to the Ark Encounter was really nice. So this to show you guys what I'm watching. And I'm also watching also it's coming up in my videos, like looking around at like the different radio frequencies, like on Broadcastify. There has been a lot of good ones. the, the, the thing, ano- another interesting trip this year has been Holiday World. That one's number 2 on my list. Number 1's the Ark Encounter. Number 2 is Belterra Casino Resort. Number 3 and and so just like guys, so tomorrow so just like guys know what 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 what's also been interesting at looking at these radio frequencies, it it's looking at Wabash County. In Wabash County, OMG, it's a big county. Whiteley County, it looks kind of like a little county. Now, me and my mom, we went this way around Fort Wayne. So Rokeek, Fort Wayne assembly plant looks like on here on their radio reference page. This is what it looks like. They have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 15. There's like 15. There's like there's like 15 different pants And also let you guys know, tomorrow there'll be like a more in-depth video on what happens during my Sunday morning routine. And then after that, tomorrow afternoon, I'll be making a video. I'll be making a video all about the different walkie-talkies I have. I'll be talking about all the different scanners I have. It will be a jam-packed a jam-packed a jam-packed a jam-packed weekend. And just to let you guys know, these people called the temp tracker to do like a lot of different stuff. Alright, I hope everybody has a great night tonight, and I'll see you guys in another video tomorrow around noon.